The Natural History Museum's historic diorama halls are the largest exhibitions at the museum, showcasing over 75 incredibly detailed habitats. To celebrate the 100th anniversary of these iconic spaces, NHM has restored and reopened a diorama hall that has been closed for decades. Visitors can experience immersive new installations from various artists like Special Species, featuring work from artists RFX1, Joel Fernando, and Yesenia Prieto. This installation calls attention to dioramas as a unique combination of art and science and explores biodiversity, ecology, conservation, colonialism, and changing museum display techniques. This vibrant diorama transports you to a whimsical Los Angeles ecosystem, reimagined through the traditional Mexican folk art of Alebrije.
So we wanted to kind of touch on the spiritual aspect of humanity and our existence in this world. I think that it's an ode to fantasy in a very hopeful and kind of healing way. The origin of Alebrije actually came from piñata maker. His name was Pedro Leonares, and he had a dream of these fantastical creatures when he was lying on his deathbed. He had a fever dream, and then he saw these animals and they were chanting to him, because when he woke up he was healed. So by showcasing them in this very beautiful fashion, we hope to capture people's attention.
And something we're trying to create a different style here that'll really attract people and connect with kids and youth, but also tell them a story and educate them on things that are happening around the world.
The word comes from a list of animals that are considered not yet endangered, but up for special concern for their ecosystems. And the portal opens up for the special champion Alebrije, which is a mixture of different species that are also individually placed in the diorama. So the champion is supposed to be the guardian for all the other animals, help them guide them to the spirit realm, and protect them and help heal them.
Reframing Dioramas is one of two groundbreaking exhibits hosted by NHM LAC, combining art and science for this year's PST Art event.